Everybody is looking for ways to stop yawning in class. But what if I told you yawning is actually your brain showing off? Here's why. Yawning isn't just about being tired. It's actually your brain's way of cooling itself down, kind of like a car radiator, but way cuter. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons light up. These are special brain cells that make you copy what others do. It's your brain's way of staying in sync with your squad. And here's the wildest part. Even just hearing the word yawn can make you yawn. Don't believe me? Did you just yawn? Science is weird, and sometimes it's just plain funny. Want to get smarter in less than a minute? Hit follow for more brainy bites from Neural Nuggets.